Okay, I hope everything's set up right. I've got like 17 things going on at once and I'm not prepared. But we're doing a Glock test. This is the first time this Glock Gen 4 19 has been fired, and I'm going to compare it to my CZ75. Okay, up first, Glock 19. See how this goes. First time. Here we go. Wow, that shoots really good, actually. I'm kind of surprised. CZ75B, let's give it a try. All right, looks good. I'm gonna try again at closer range. I'm gonna reset everything. Here we go. All right, trying again. Glock's up first. Slower on this one. CZ's up second, close range. All right, let's check the targets and see. All right, so up here was the Glock 19 Gen 4 on, I don't know, about 20 yards. I'm shooting left. That's popular with Glocks. This is like the second time I've ever fired a Glock though, so I could get used to that. CZ, they're all pretty much patterning right in there at the 20-yard range. Up close, about 7 to 10 yards. Glock is right in there, right where it should be, and CZ is actually a little bit wider. Calm down, calm down. Glock is shooting really good there, and yeah, everything went well. Now I guess we can do some fun stuff. Here we go. All right, that's done.